During the short how-to video on how to analyse a Spotblot using GeneTools analysis software, you'll be shown how to 1. Use the sample properties box, 2. Adjust the template, 3. Add in quantities, 4. Export results to Microsoft Word or Excel. When you open GeneTools software from the icon on the desktop, you will see the username pop-up box. Select the name from the drop-down list and press OK. You can also send images directly to GeneTools from Genesis image capture software using the GeneTools icon. In GeneTools software, you can analyse SUD and TIFF file formats. We recommend that the SUD file format is used, as this file type contains the raw data. To open an SUD file, select Open. If using a TIFF image, select File, then New Import. And then browse the image you wish to analyse. From the Sample Properties box, use the drop-down menu to select Analysis Type. For this example, Spotblot. Select the spot type, choose from circle or rectangle. GeneTools should automatically detect the image type as absorption when you have dark spots on a white background. Fluorescence is when you have a white spots on a dark background. GeneTools is set to automatically detect spots, but sometimes GeneTools software might find it a bit difficult to automatically detect spots, especially if the background levels are high. You can select to add a defined grid or create spots for manual positioning or to leave spots unchanged. Press OK. The software will automatically locate spots and places a grid of spots frames over them. You can adjust the size of the circular spot frame using the mouse. If required, you can set or unset all spots the same size by selecting this icon. You can position individual spots by selecting Position Any Spot. If GeneTools hasn't quite detected all the spots, you can use the Spot Location tool. From the pop-up, you can adjust the binary threshold to change the lower and upper threshold values. Or you can enter a value for the area criteria. Press OK when happy. You can select to perform a background correction. Select from None, Automatic or Manual. If you select Automatic, the software automatically calculates the background values. If selected Manual, then use the mouse to draw a rectangle or rectangles. Around the area of the background you wish to include. You can choose a template to show circles or rectangles. And when happy, select to lock the position. To add a known quantity, select the spot you wish to add a known quantity to. and select the quantity icon. From the pop-up, add a value into the calibrated quantity box, e.g. 100, and press OK. You can also select the shape of the calibration curve by selecting the quantity calibration icon. From the pop-up window, select the curve type from the drop-down menu. Choose from linear through origin, a single standard value, linear multiple standard values, linear through origin, multiple standard values, quadratic and quadratic through origin. If you select linear through origin, single standard value, the calibration curve is drawn through the origin and the last calibration point you have added. Since this is a single point calibration, adding a new calibration point replaces the previous one. For other types of curve, the calibration curve is drawn as the best fit for all the relevant calibration points. Adding a new calibration point contributes to, and does not replace, the calibration from any previous points. The results table will now be updated to show the quantities of all spots compared to the spot with a known quantity. You can easily export your data to Microsoft Word as a report, or to Microsoft Excel. You can also highlight the results table or areas of the results table, copy and paste to Excel.